ROI4Presenter integration with Microsoft Outlook. You can integrate ROI4Presenter with your Microsoft Outlook account. To get started, you need to install the free ROI4Presenter Customer Catcher extension in your Google Chrome web browser. You can download the extension from Chrome Web Store. After the correct install, your plugin will appear in your Outlook window automatically. If the extension is installed correctly, in the new message form, you will see a presentation symbol to the left of the From field. By clicking on the presentation symbol, you access your content in ROI4Presenter. You can upload presentations and create links for them directly from your Outlook account. Click on the arrow icon in place before its name. The General Link Settings window opens. You can edit the name, choose the slide to start, enter calendar link, and choose the admin for the presentation and on/off notifications. You can choose Show Advanced Settings. There you can set up the level of details, options available to listeners, lead form, and more. The Personalization tab will automatically insert the contact's name and profile picture to be added to their personalized link. All information about the actions of listeners who click on your links will be available in CRM and email reports. You can also install the Chrome extension and use it in LinkedIn and Gmail. You will find a link at the end of the text on how to do it.